Good morning, everyone. So in the last session, we started our discussion related to major project. We understood what is our major project, what is the purpose of our major project, how this major project is going to work, who can use this application, how they can use this application, and what are the modules that are available in our project. Right. Our project name is IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. Our application name is IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. This project we are developing for Rhode Island state government. We are developing this application for Rhode Island state government. That is a state in the US. That state government want to provide some health and insurance plans for state citizens, right? So by using this application, government will provide the plans for the citizens, but the citizens cannot access our application directly. Citizens cannot access our application directly. So citizens who want to apply for this plan, they should visit nearest DHS office, then they have to apply. In the DHS office, case workers will be available. What is DHS and who are called as case workers? DHS nothing but Department of Health Services. DHS employees are called as case workers. So case worker can use a IES application, can apply for the plan for citizens, right? Now, as it is an intranet application, this is accessible only in the DHS offices. By using this application, that RI government providing several health and insurance plans for the citizens. What are those plans? SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicare, QHP, and RIW. What is the SNAP? SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. That is a food stamp program applicable for the people who are having less or no income. Good. Next one, we are having CCAP. What is the meaning of CCAP? CCAP stands for Child Care Assistance Program. It is applicable for the families who are having small kids with less income. Then Medicaid, Medicare available. These are applicable for senior citizens above 60 years. QHP, Qualified Health Plan. RIW, Rhode Island Works. All right. Now fine. In this application, there are 8 modules available. What are those 8 modules? One is admin module. Second one is user management. Third one is application registration. Fourth one is data collection. Fifth one is eligibility determination. Sixth one, correspondence. Seventh one, benefit issuance. Eighth one, reports module is available. Now let's understand what is the purpose of each module. Once these modules explanation completed, I want you people to explain about the project, what you understood about the major project. Tomorrow, if somebody asks you, what is your project? Then how you will reply to that question in the interview? Same thing I want to see now, how you are going to answer that question. So first let me clarify what is admin API or what is admin module. So in our application, admin module is available. Admin module will mainly deal with 2 functionalities. One is case workers management and second one is plans management, right? So which case worker should access our application? Directly case worker cannot create the account in the project because it is a intranet project. So here for our application, one admin will be available. That admin can create the account for the case worker. For example, I'm an administrator in the RI DHS department. Admin team will be available. This person is a case worker. This person should access IES application. For that person, I will create an account as an administrator. How we implemented second mini project, account creation. If I create the account for that person, he will get an email with the account details with a temporary password. He should click on the link. He has to reset his password. So admin will deal with that case workers management, account creation, view the list of case workers available, activate the case worker, deactivate the case worker, That a task will done by administrator. Next one, plans management. So which plans we are supporting from our application? What is the plan start date? What is the plan end date? Which plans we need to provide for citizens this year? Which plans we need to deactivate? Which plans we need to activate? That plans management also will be taken care by administrator in the project. When admin login into the application, admin will have the facility to create the account for the case worker, edit the case worker account, delete the case worker account, activate the case worker, deactivate the case worker will be available. And the next one, plans management will be available. SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicare. Suppose for example, this year, we don't want to support for RIW. Administrator will deactivate that plan. So this year, we want to support for some other new plan. Administrator will add that plan in our system. So such kind of case workers, accounts management, case worker, accounts management, and plans management will be taken care by administrator. When admin login, these functionalities will be enabled. When a case worker login, these functionalities will not be enabled. Case worker cannot access these two functionalities. Only administrator can access these two functionalities. Admin is responsible to create new account, to create accounts for case worker, accounts for case workers to access IES system, Now, admin is responsible to create plans. That means which plans we are supporting by our application, what is the name of the plan, what is the description, when that plan is started, what is the end date of that plan, everything will be managed by administrator. Admin is responsible to create accounts for case worker, and admin is responsible to create plans. Account management, nothing but here create will be available, update will be available, delete will be available, retrieval also will be available. Same thing is applicable for this plans management also. Are you clear? What is the purpose of admin module? Come on guys, what is the purpose of admin module? Create the account for the case worker, edit the case worker account, view the case worker account, all that stuff will be available in the admin API. Okay, next one, CW module is available. What is the meaning of CW module? So this is a case worker module. Case worker is responsible to apply plans for the citizens. Case worker is responsible to apply plans for citizens. In this case worker, we are going to implement login functionality. Case worker can log in into the application, and the case worker will have a dashboard. How we implement a dashboard in the third mini project? Similarly, how many plans applied by this case worker, how many of them approved, how many of them denied, that report will be displayed in the dashboard. And he will have a option to edit profile. Case worker want to change his mobile number, case worker want to change his password. Edit profile option will be available for case worker. Forgot password option also will be available. If he forgot the password, he should be able to recover that password. Okay, is there any option to create the account? Why there is no option to create the account? Account creation will be taken care by administrator. If you are a case worker, your account will be created by administrator. You will get an email with your account details, and temporary password will be available. You need to unlock your account, then only you can log in into the application. Once you log in into the application, your dashboard will be available. How many citizens applied from your name, right? How many citizens applied for the plans? What is your contribution for the application? How many citizens approved for that? How many citizens denied for the plan with your name? So in the DHS, multiple case workers will be available. I'm a case worker. For how many citizens I have applied for the plans? You are a case worker. For how many citizens you applied for the plans? How many of them got approved? How many of them got denied? That data should be displayed in the dashboard. I should be able to edit my profile. I should be able to recover my password. Is there anything new which is already implemented in the mini projects? Already implemented in the mini projects. Admin will create the account. Case worker will get the mail. In the mail, temporary password will be available. Link also will be available to unlock the account. Once account unlock is completed, case worker can log in into the application and he can see the dashboard. He can edit the profile and forgot password will be available. He can recover the password also. Are you clear with the two modules? One is admin module and the second one is user management module, or I can say case worker module. Anything is fine. Then third one is AR module. What is the third one, guys? AR module. AR module, nothing but application registration module. What is the AR? AR stands for application registration. AR stands for application registration. When observe carefully, when citizen visit nearest DHS office to apply for a plan, that a citizen will talk to case worker. Now, for example, I'm a case worker. He is a citizen. He came to our DHS office. He asked, "Hi, I want to apply for SNAP plan." Okay, when citizen want to apply for the SNAP plan, then case worker will open IES application and the case worker will go to AR module. AR nothing but application registration. Here AR module will collect basic data from the citizen. What is citizen first name, citizen last name, email ID, his phone number, basic details of the citizen will be collected by AR API. After collecting the citizen details, here citizen will be verified. Citizen will provide a SSN number. How we are having a Aadhaar number for USA citizens, SSN number will be available. Okay. Now here AR API will provide SSN number to SSA Web API. SSA Web nothing but Social Security Administration, that is federal government project in the US. We are developing IES application. IES application is a state government project. SSA Web is a federal government project. Federal government nothing but central government project. Here AR API will communicate with the third party application through REST API. Okay, REST communication will be available. AR API will provide SSN number to this application. This is a third party application. This application will verify that a citizen is really belongs to RI state or not. If a citizen belongs to RI state, then citizen application will be created. That means he can apply for the plans in the IAS. Suppose, for example, citizen given the SSN number, that SSN number we are given to third party application. That application told that SSN not belongs to RI. That SSN is not belongs to RI state citizen. Then AR API will not create the application for the citizen. Citizen cannot apply for the plan. If you are belongs to RI state, then only you can apply for the plan. If you are not belongs to RI state, then you cannot apply for the plan. That application creation will be taken by AR API. What is the full form of the AR? AR stands for application registration. Okay, AR API will collect citizen basic information, and it will verify citizen belongs to RI state or not based on SSN. RI API will collect citizen basic information and it will verify citizen belongs to RI state or not based on SSN. But it will communicate with SSA Web API, which is federal government project. Okay, so here one application is going to communicate with another application by using RESTful service. Okay. So AR API will collect the citizen basic information and it will verify citizen belongs to RI state or not based on the SSN. It will communicate with a SSA web API, which is federal government project. Here, if a citizen belongs to RI state, then application will be created for citizen. Application will be created for citizen to apply for the plans. Apply for the plan. If a citizen not belongs to RI, okay, if a citizen not belongs to RI state, then application will not be created. Application will not be created. Citizen cannot apply for the plan. Come on, guys. Citizen application will not be created. Citizen cannot apply for the plan. Are you guys able to follow me? AR stands for application registration. What is the purpose of AR? AR API will collect the citizen basic information and it will verify citizen belongs to RI state or not based on the SSN. So here, how it will verify this SSN belongs to RI state or not? AR API will communicate with SSA web API. What is SSA web? Social Security Administration. Okay, that will tell this SSN is valid or not. It is belongs to which state. If citizen belongs to RI state, then application will be created for citizen to apply for the plan. Okay, good. Now, if a citizen is not belongs to RI, then application will not be created. Citizen cannot apply for the plan. Are you guys clear? So 3 modules we have discussed. What are 3 modules? First one is admin module. Second one, case worker module. Third one, AR module. What is the purpose of admin module? Come on, guys. What is the purpose of admin module? Admin is responsible to create accounts for case worker to access IES system. Admin will create the accounts. Admin will create the plans. He will manage. Manage nothing but create, edit, update, delete, retrieve. All the functionalities will be available. What is a case worker module? Case worker can log in, can see the dashboard and can edit the profile, can recover the password also. Then once case worker logged in, case worker can access AR module. What is the purpose of AR module? AR stands for application registration. AR main purpose, take the data from the citizen, verify he belongs to RI or not. If he belongs to RI, one application will be created. That means he can apply for the plan. If citizen not belongs to RI, application will not be created. He cannot apply for the plan. How AR module will verify citizen belongs to RI or not? AR API will communicate with a third-party company project by using SSN number. You give the SSN number, you will get the state name. If the state name is RI, create the application. If the state name is not RI, don't create the application. Are you clear? Good. Once application registration completed, the next one is DC module. What is the next one, guys? The next one is DC module. DC stands for data collection. DC stands for data collection. DC stands for data collection. What is the meaning of data collection? Citizen want to apply for SNAP. Okay. For SNAP plan, some conditions will be available. CCAP plan having some condition. Medicaid having some condition. Medicare also having some conditions. All right. So whenever we are having plans, when citizen want to apply for the plan, we need citizen data. What is his family condition? What is his income? What is his education? What are the properties that citizen having? What parents will do? That citizen having any kids or not? I need to collect the data from the citizen. To collect the data from the citizen, we are having DC module. DC stands for data collection. DC API is responsible to collect citizen data which is required which is required for plan application, which is required to apply for the plan, which is required to apply for the plan. What kind of data we are going to collect? Citizen data, family data, citizen details, family details, citizen details, family details, education details, employment details, income details, kids details, etc. Like this, we need to collect the data from the citizen if we want to apply for the plan. To collect the data from the citizen, we are having DC module. Some UI screens will be available. By using those UI screens, we are going to collect the data. DC stands for data collection. DC API is responsible to collect citizen data which is required to apply for the plan. What kind of data we need? Citizen data, family data, education data, employment data, income data, and kids data. So DC API will just to take the data from the UI and will store into database tables. Only data collection. Tell me your family details. I will enter, save in the database. Tell me your income details. Enter, save in the database. Tell me your education details. Take the data, store in the database. DC stands for data collection. What is the purpose of DC? DC is responsible to collect citizen data which is required to apply for the plan. Citizen details, family details, education details, employment, income, and kids details we are going to collect. Now look at this. We understood 4 modules: admin, caseworker, AR, and DC. The next one is ED module, another important module in our project, that is ED module. ED stands for eligibility determination. ED stands for eligibility determination. ED stands for eligibility determination. Here, citizen application is created by AR. If he belongs to RI, citizen application will be created. After application got created, we need to collect data from the citizen, data collection. After collecting the data, we need to verify citizen data matching with plan conditions or not. So that verification will be done by ED API. ED stands for eligibility determination. ED API, ED is responsible to verify citizen eligibility for the plan. Citizen eligibility for the plan. Every plan will have some conditions. Citizen data is matching with those conditions or not, we are going to verify. ED stands for eligibility determination. ED is responsible to verify citizen eligibility for the plan. So ED will execute plan conditions with citizen data. If citizen data matches with plan conditions, then citizen will be approved for the plan. Otherwise, citizen will be denied for the plan. You are going to attend an interview. If you attend an interview, they will ask some questions. If you answer all the questions correctly, then you will be selected in the interview. If you don't answer all the questions, you will be rejected in the interview. Same concept here also. When citizen apply for a plan, citizen data will be collected, then citizen eligibility will be determined. Suppose for example, citizen applied for SNAP, citizen data matching with the SNAP plan or not, we are going to verify. If data matching with the SNAP plan, citizen will be approved for the plan. If citizen data not matching with the SNAP, then citizen will be denied for the plan. citizen will be approved or denied. Approved citizens will get the benefit amount. Approved citizens will get benefit amount. Approved citizens will get benefit amount from government. Okay. For example, I applied for RIW. If I approved for the RIW, monthly government will provide the income for me. They will provide some pocket money to upgrade my skill set to get the job. That support will be there for 3 months or 6 months of time. After 6 months, then I will be terminated from the plan. Right. Read this. What is ED module? ED stands for eligibility determination. ED is responsible to verify eligibility for the plan. ED will execute plan conditions with the citizen data. If citizen data matches with the plan condition, then citizen will be approved for the plan. Otherwise, citizen will be denied for the plan. Approved citizens will get a benefit amount from the government. For a denied citizen, nothing will be available. Are you clear with AR, DC and ED? What is the purpose of AR? What is the purpose of AR? AR is application registration module. It will take the data from the citizen and will verify citizen can apply for the plan or not. When citizen can apply for the plan, if he belongs to RI state. However, application will know that citizen belongs to RI based on the SSN number. Who will maintain citizen SSN numbers? SSA web. Is it a state project or central project? How state project can communicate with the central project? Third party API, REST communication. We have seen how one project will communicate with another project. That is what we are going to implement. After application got created, then we will go to DC. What is the DC? What is the purpose of DC? What is the DC and what is the purpose of DC? DC stands for data collection. It is used to collect the data from the citizen that is required to apply for the plan. Nothing but which plan citizen want to apply, what data required for the plan. We are going to collect all the data from the citizen by using DC. What is the main importance of DC? Take the data, store in the database. Then what is the ED? What is ED, guys? ED stands for eligibility determination. What is the purpose of eligibility determination? Verify citizen data matching with the plan conditions or not. Verify citizen data matching with plan conditions or not. If citizen data matching with the plan condition, then citizen will be approved for the plan. If he is approved, he will get the benefit amount. If citizen data not matching with the condition, citizen will be denied for the plan. Either citizen will be approved for the plan or citizen will be denied for the plan. Are you clear? Good. Next one, we are having correspondence module. CO module is available. CO module. CO stands for correspondence. It is the acknowledgement module. CO stands for correspondence. CO stands for correspondence. This is responsible to send notices to citizens regarding their plans, regarding their eligibility. Now, you applied for SNAP. You got approved for the plan. For example, you applied for the SNAP plan and you got approved for the plan. Once you got approved for the plan, you will get one notice. Notice nothing but a PDF document saying that, hi, congratulations, you applied for SNAP and you got approved for the plan. Your plan will start from this date, plan will end on this date. Monthly, you are going to get this much benefit amount. Like that, we are going to generate one notice and we will send that notice. The module which is sending notices to the citizens, that module is called as correspondence module. For example, you applied for CCAP, but you got a denied. So why you denied? What plan you applied? When you applied? Why you denied? all the details will be generated in one PDF document that is called a notice. That notice will be sent to you in the email. For example, you applied for Medicare. Last 6 months, you are using Medicare. By this month end, your plan will be completed. You will get a reminder notice. You applied for the Medicare plan, so and so date, 6 months, the plan is getting completed. Do you want to renewal that plan? If you want to renewal, come to our DHS office and talk to case worker. Such kind of notices will be generated by correspondence module and it will send the notices to the citizens. Are you guys clear? What is CO? CO stands for correspondence. What is the main purpose of correspondence? Correspondence module is responsible to send notices to citizens regarding their plan eligibility. Regarding their plan eligibility. So it will be sending approved notice. If the citizen is approved, approved notice will go. If citizen is denied, denied notice will go. Termination notice will go. Termination notice. Plan renewal reminder. Plan renewal reminder. Suppose when you are applying for the plan, you forgot to submit some documents. Okay, missing documents notice. Missing documents. You forgot to bring some documents to apply for the plan. You will get missing documents submission notice. Okay, so like this, any communication that we want to provide for the citizen, that communication will go through a notice. That notice will be generated by CO module. CO stands for correspondence. PDF generation will be available. That PDF will be sent to the citizens through email. Are you guys clear? Good. What is ED and what is CO? Come on. What is ED and what is CO? ED stands for eligibility determination. What is the purpose of ED? It is responsible to verify citizen data matching with plan conditions or not. If citizen data matching with plan condition, citizen will be approved for the plan. Otherwise, citizen will be denied for the plan. Now, what is the CO module? What is CO module? What is the purpose of CO? Come on, guys. What is the purpose of CO? It is responsible to send notices to citizens regarding their plan eligibility. What kind of notices it is going to send? If you apply for a plan, if you got approved, you will get a approved notice. If you got a denied, you will get a denied notice. If you terminated from the plan, then you will get termination notice. If your plan is getting completed, for renewal, a reminder you are going to get. Plan renewal reminder, 30 days reminder, 60 days reminder, 15 days reminder, 1 week reminder, like that multiple reminder notices will be available. Missing documentation. What are the missing documents are there? Your birth certificate is missing. It will send a notice to you to submit birth certificate in the DHS office. That kind of notices will be sent from correspondence module. Okay, look at this. Admin, caseworker, AR, DC, ED, and CO. Next one, BI module. BI module is available. What is the purpose of BI module? BI stands for Benefit Issuance Module. BI stands for Benefit Issuance Module. Okay, BI stands for Benefit Issuance. It is responsible to send benefits amount to approved citizens. Okay, who are approved for the plan. Monthly, they will get some benefit amount. Benefit issuance module is responsible to send benefit amount to approved citizen. I got approved for SNAP. Monthly $350 I will get from the government. So benefit issuance module will identify this month how many citizens are available with the approved status. Take their data, send a benefit amount to those approved citizens. That will be done by BI module in our project. And the last module, that is reports module. What is the purpose of reports module? What is the purpose of reports module? It is used to get application reports, application statistics. It is used to generate reports with application data. It is used to generate reports in Excel or PDF, reports Excel or PDF format with application data. I want to get approved citizens data, approved citizens report. I mean to say plan name wise based report based on plan name, report based on plan name, report based on plan status, report based on plan status, report based on duration, report based on duration, date between, right? Start date and end date. I want to get all the people who applied for SNAP. I want to get all the SNAP people who got approved. I want to get all the CCAP denied people. I want to get all the data. Such kind of reports can be generated by using reports module. We already implemented first mini project. Download the data based on the name, download the data based on the status, download the data based on the gender, download the data based on the start date and end date. That is a dynamic search. I can select any filter and I can generate the report in the Excel format or in the PDF format. We have implemented report sending to the email as a attachment also. Reports module is used to generate the reports in the Excel PDF format with application data. What kind of reports? Report based on the plan name, report based on the plan status, report based on the duration with the start date and end date, report based on the gender, citizen gender, report based on citizen gender. I want to get all the females who applied for RIW. I want to get all the females who applied for SNAP, like that. Based on the gender also, I want to download the data available in my application. Are you clear? Good. Just read this. Now you people should explain all this information. What we have discussed as of now, we discussed what is IES, what is IES, why IES, IES client, IES client, IES plans, IES plans, and IES modules, IES modules, purpose of each module. I have explained all these 6 concepts. What is IES? Why IES? Who is a client for IES? How IES project will be accessed? IES plans, IES modules, and the purpose of each module in IES. Now, when someone asks in the interview, explain about your project, you should explain all these 6 topics. It will take 5 to 10 minutes of time to explain all the 6 points in the interview. If you explain these 6 topics with confidence, then they will not ask any question in the project. They will go to technical questions, core Java, Spring Boot, microservices, etc. If you are not able to explain the 6 points, they will ask multiple questions in the project only. So they should impress with your explanation. Right. Now we will do mock explanations. I want people to come here and explain about the project, what you understood. Okay? Just read this. I'm giving 5 minutes of time to read everything. Just read it. First, ladies first, na? Always. Come on, fast, read it. Last 2 people, stand up. Why in civil dress? Have you seen the dress code? Why you are not following that? 200 rupees fine for you people today. Collect 400 rupees from them. 200 plus 200. I will tell to admin. Vamshi, come here. Collect 200 rupees fine from those 2 people. This guy also. Stand up. This guy also. Stand up. Who did not wear the t-shirt? From these 4 people, collect 200 rupees from each. Otherwise, don't allow to the class for evening. Okay. 200 rupees fine for these 4 people, collect 800 rupees. With that 800, we'll celebrate birthdays in the class. That is not for me. That 800 rupees is not for me. I'm not going to take that money. Anyone birthday is there, please inform. We'll do the celebration in the class only. Okay? Fine. Give 200 rupees each, these 4 people. Take it. Take and keep it with you. After the class. किसका बर्थडे है? This week anyone birthday is there? Prasad? Yeah, please tell that, sir. We'll celebrate. We have 800 rupees now. We can get 2 kgs cake. Right. Yeah, please read this, guys. Who is the client of our project and what is the name of the project? Right? If they ask what module you have worked on, what you implement in the module, we will understand. This is not the last class of the project. Just I introduced what are the modules, what is the purpose of the module. Yeah, please read this. This theoretical explanation you will not get anywhere in the internet. You will not get anywhere in the YouTube or Udemy, because this is a real project in the company. The people who worked in that project, only those people can explain you, not others out people. So please read this properly. And I told you to practice 10 times. I will verify that. What is the task I told on the Friday? Audio recording 10 times with your voice about the project explanation. I will verify that also now. If you are going out from the class, you need to show me your recording in the mobile. 10 times I told you to practice project explanation. I want to check that. Come on, read this. Department of Health Services. In the department, case workers will be available. DHS employees. IES application will be accessible only in the DHS offices. Right. In the IES project, we have several modules. What are those modules? Admin module, user management, application registration, data collection, eligibility determination, correspondence, and benefit issuance and reports module is available. Read the purpose of each module. Admin module, then case worker module. Read it. You have to give the seminar now. AR. Not 800, we have 1000 rupees. You also did not wear t-shirt. 5 log milayas. 1000 rupees. We can do good, we can get good cake. You can sit down. Fine is fine, punishment is for all. Rule is rule, rule for all. You have to collect that. Yeah, pay 200 and collect it. Right. AR API. Next one, DC. DC stands for data collection, responsible to collect citizen data, which is required to apply for the plan. What kind of data? Citizen details, family details, education details, employment details, income details, and kids details. Next one, ED module. ED module. ED stands for eligibility determination. ED is responsible to verify citizen eligibility for the plan. ED will execute plan conditions with citizen data. If citizen data matches with the conditions, then citizen will be approved for the plan. Otherwise, citizen will be denied for the plan. Approved citizens will get benefit amount from the government. Right. Monthly benefits will be available. Then next one, CO module. You have to explain now. Keep that in your brain and understand that. CO stands for correspondence. It is responsible to send notices to citizens regarding their plan eligibility. Approved notice will be available. Denied notice will be available. Terminated notice will be available. BI module. BI stands for benefit issuance. It is responsible to send benefit amount to approved citizens. Benefit amount to approved citizens. Next one, reports module. What is the purpose of reports module? It is used to generate reports in the Excel or PDF format with application data. Report based on the plan name, plan status, duration, based on the gender with multiple values. Also, we should be able to generate the report. This is dynamic search to generate the report. Right. So when I ask, explain about your project, you should cover these 6 points, right? What is IES? Why IES? Who is client for IES? IES plans, IES modules, and purpose of each module in IES. Why IES? IES client, how to access IES? How to access IES? How to access IES? IES plans, IES modules, purpose of each module in the IES. Right. Look at this. Just close your eyes and try to explain yourself. about these 6 points, 7 points, whether you are able to do it or not. You check yourself. You check yourself. If somebody asks you what is your project, are you in the position to explain it or not? You should cover the 7 points in your explanation. It may take 5 to 7 minutes of time. Yes, Sanakar. Completed. One more round, one more try. Come on, fast. Yeah, done. I have given a task on Friday to record project explanation in your mobile. How many of you not done? Please stand up. No, I want to listen that. Huh. How many times you done? 10 बोला था. 10 मैंडेटरी है. पूरा क्लास. Anyone sitting? Anyone sitting? Nobody has done that. Why? You got 2 days time, na? I want to see that. I want to listen that. Why you have not done that? Do you think that you are confident in project explanation? Who has not done at least one time? Come and stand here. Who has not done at least one time? Anybody has tried at least 3 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about the remaining people? You did not try single time also. Why? Huh? What is that assignment I have given on Friday? What I told on Friday? Whatever I have covered up to Friday, I told you to record that in your mobile, your explanation, so that you will understand how confidently you are explaining the major project. If you don't have confidence in the major project explanation, what they will understand in your interview, in the first 5 minutes, what they will understand? You are a fake experienced guy. If you don't have, you are going to keep 3 years of experience. When you are working in the project from 3 years, if you are not able to explain your project properly, that is a clear indication that you are a fake person. They will not continue your interview also if they feel that you are a fake. So we are doing mistake. That mistake we have to do perfectly. Keeping the fake experience is a mistake. That mistake we have to do perfectly. When we are explaining the project in the interview, they should feel that we have experience in that project. How they will understand we have experience? Based on our explanation, based on our confidence, they will understand that. If you listen to the class 1 day or 2 days when I'm explaining, you will not get that, right? You need to explain that, you need to practice that multiple times, then only you will get that confidence. So if you try this for 10 times, then you will get that confidence, you will get that fluency, you will understand what mistakes that you have done. How much time it will take to explain the project details now? To explain 1 time. How much time it will take to explain the project? 5 minutes. 10 into 5. 50 minutes, less than 1 hour. Don't you have 1 hour from 72 hours? I told this on Friday morning. Friday morning session, I told that you need to practice the project explanation. At least if you do 5 times, 5 into 5, 25 minutes, less than half an hour. Less than half an hour if you spend, then you will get that project explanation part. Why I am asking you to record in the mobile? Because you can listen once again, you can understand whether your explanation is proper or not. What to do? You are not doing the task. Online people also same thing. You need to explain with your voice, you need to record in the mobile. Then you have to listen to that. Then you will understand how confidently you are explaining. What to do? What to do, guys? Yeah, guys. Tell me what to do. Guys, I have uploaded the class notes. At least please practice that today and tomorrow I will check that. Everybody should record at least 10 times. That recording should be there in your mobile, and tomorrow in the class also you have to give that seminar. So whatever the 7 points I told, you need to explain all the 7 points. When I ask you, explain about your project. So I have uploaded the notes. Let us see major project notes. Yes. Yeah, these are the 7 points that I have given. You should explain all the 7 points to me tomorrow, and that recording should be there in your mobile also. Core Java interview questions, I will add that in the notes and I will update in the portal. Okay, we'll see you in the evening Spring Boot class.